Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Avida Towers, Alabang. Kasi i-feature natin yung isang studio unit for sale dito sa Avida Towers, Alabang. Okay, panoorin nyo to. Alright, this is the studio unit here in Avida Towers, Alabang. Yan, kung makikita nyo, yan yung CR nya. This is 23 square meters for sale at 4 million pesos po, or 3.9 negotiable. Ayan. Gamit. Yan yung mga amenity area niya. Swimming pool. And that's the tower 1. Ito tower 2 ito. Nasa second floor lang to, yung unit na to. Yan. Yan, kasama na yung bed. Double deck na bed. Included na yan. Yan, tapos meron pang isang bed dito. And then you have table. And then yun, aircon. Yan, washing machine. You have this ref. Ayan. Okay. So 23 square meters. Ayan. Studio unit for 4 million pesos negotiable. Okay. Alright, kung gusto nyo po yung unit na to, just call me at my mobile number. Nandito po sa baba. Okay, available siya ngayon for 4 million pesos po. 23 square meters studio unit here in Avida Towers, Alabang. Napakagandang unit nito, malapit sa lahat. Alabang Town Center, San Beda College Alabang, Madrigal Business Park po. Okay, call nyo lang po ako. This is Mon again, your trusted real estate broker. Bye.